In this video, we're going to look into Dreamina Seedance 2.5. So this is actually the latest AI video generation model for Dreamina. It's designed to turn simple text prompts and creative ideas into high quality videos. So the goal is to make the video content creation much faster and easier, even if you don't have any professional video editing skills or live production skills. Okay, so what you can do, instead of filming, how like spending hours for filming, editing and adding effects manually, you can describe the scene you want and the AI can generate the video for you. So it's much easier, right? And what's more interesting with this Seedance 2.5 is that the improved video generation. So the model is designed to produce more detailed and visually consistent video outputs, and it has a better prompt understanding. So you can describe your idea using natural language, including like subjects, the environment, what type of camera movement you want. So all those things, you can just describe it and it will do it for you. And it has enhanced motion and camera control. So for AI generated videos, realistic movement is extremely important. So with that, Seedance can actually provide that for you, and also it's much more flexible, so you can experiment with different types or styles, characters, environments and concepts without the needing to physically create or film each scene. So that's the beauty of this. So if you want to try it, you can go to the Dreamina website and then you can create your account and then start using it. See, this is the, you can click on this try Seedance and then you can start try to use this and experience its magic. Okay, so it's another step towards making the AI video creation more powerful and accessible.